Try to get up to the radio tower on top of the snowy peak, but I don't know. Oh, look at those views. Had a 38 pilot jet in this thing this morning and it wouldn't even run. Swap it over to a 40 and it's much better. Oh, we're in the snow now. About 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The weather's perfect for riding, good temperature at least. This mud is no joke. Fresh snow melt. The hill, the deeper the snow gets, of course. God damn, I gotta go up that. I wonder if I can. Whew. Pull my fucking pants up. Oh, well, so much for neutral. Oh, god damn, fucking mud. Woo! They're breathing like a whore in church. Almost there. They're pretty wicked looking snow cornices up there on the wind blowing off the corner or the edge of the mountain. Woo! On top of the fucking world. I don't know what the elevation is right where I'm standing. And it's, once we get to the radio tower, it's 7,800 feet. We're probably 7,500 now. 74 maybe. How much you want to bet this electric start doesn't work? Of course not. Top of the world. There's the camera you can get on the internet and look at. Right now it's pointed at Midas. Neutral again. Damn. 3 for 4. God damn, look at this place. You can see so far when it's cold. So all them switchbacks, I like to ride up those. Those are fun. Keep wiping this GoPro off. I hope it's doing good. One of these days when I'm in better shape and my balls are bigger, I want to ride all the way down this ridgeline. You can connect with the main road. You can Midas down there. Fucking Idaho that way somewhere. God damn, look at this place. I don't get any better. In addition to riding that ridgeline one day, I also want to... I don't think there's any trails, but unless you go way out that way. I want to get on this bluff that's this big ridgeline here. The bluff overlooking the valley over there. I know highest elevation I've ever reached here is is it 8,200 feet? Kind of on that point right out there. And the valley floor is about, I don't know, 4,500 or something like that. So, you know, 3,500 foot drop or something like that. Overlooks that valley out there. God damn, I love living here. Alright, I'm gonna kill this GoPro, get some pictures with the phone.